Okay, surds you know is the square root, and because it's a square root, certain numbers are really important. So if I know my squared numbers and know factors of my squared numbers, it's easier. All right, so our important numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 81, 100, 121, 144. 6, 7, 8, I forgot 64. There you go. All right, so our rules apply. If I've got two numbers times together under the square root, I can whip them together, and the same thing, I can separate them to be A and B if I know the factors, and that's what I've done over here. 75 is actually root 25 times root 5. Now, why have I chosen 25? Because I know the square root of 25 is 5. So that would be 5 root 5. Now, when you get good at them, you don't write this step in here, you just go straight to this one. The same as this example, it says simplify. Sorry, I'm having pen trouble. So simplify here is 3 root, and I need one of these numbers that times together to give me 48. 4 is going to be 12, so let's go with that. 4 and 12. So I've got 3 times 2, which is 6. But root 12 is actually 4 times 3. So it's 12 root 3. If I need to work backwards, and I'm only use this top rule, if I need to work backwards, I've got 3, which is root 9 times root 3, which is root 27. And that's it as a single surd. Okay, I can add and subtract only if they're the same underneath. So it's like algebra. This is 4 root 3 plus 5 root 3, it's 9 root 3. This is root 2 minus root 18. I can't do anything, but my guess is that it can simplify to be something root 2, and I've got that because 9 2s are 18 and root 9 is 3. So the answer is minus root 2. Here I've got, this is a like term with this. So it's going to be 5 root 2, and I can't do anything to the root 3, so I've just got to leave it. Okay, when I multiply, so this question 2 was this rule. Question 3, oh no, it wasn't. It was none of those rules. Question 3, when I multiply, I times the numbers and I times the square root. So let's have a look at that down here. 3 6s are 18 with a minus root 10. That's easy. 3 2s are 6. 5 times 24 is 120. No. Yep, 5 to 20 is 100. 5 equals 20. Now, my guess is 120 can be simplified down to something. So 4 goes into that 30 times, so it's 12 root 30. I don't think any of our squared numbers go into 30 as a factor, so we don't have to worry about going further. All right, this one here, we can put ours together like that for our divide, or, and I'll do that, so that'll leave me 2 root a half, but root 1 is 1, so it's 2 on root 2. I'm probably better off doing it 2 root 7, and root 14 is root 7 times root 2, crossing it off like that and getting 2 on root 2. You'll get to the stage where you'll just see that and go like that. So down here, I can see that root 3 is going to be on the top, so 4 divided by 12 gives me, and this 21 on 7 is root 3, so it's root 3 on 3. Anything squared cancels out the square root. Okay, I'll make another bracket. I'll make another one with this expanding brackets.